Welcome to Mega Faith Fest at DBI Don Bosco Institute. Now we have with us some youth who have participated in this Mega Fest, and I would like to ask questions from them. So, who is Jesus for you?
Jesus is our Savior. He shows the way, the truth, and He is the one through which we get victory.
जीसस हम लोग का उद्धार करता है, हम लोग को पाप से बचाया है, मतलब खुद का बलि चढ़ा के तो हम लोग का उद्धार करता है.
For me, I'll say it's my friend. He's my friend, and
For me, Savior and
Because Jesus is our Savior, because He died for us. That's why He's our Savior.
मेरे लिए वो पिता ही है.
Okay, yes.
My heart, my friend, and my life and everything.
Okay.
Jesus is my Savior. My God.
he's the best peacemaker, and then my healer, and then my loved. Everything.
He's my everything.
Jesus is my way.
He's my life.
Jesus is everything for me.
As Christians, you are especially youth. What example would you like to show to the youth so that their faith or they may turn back to Jesus? You know, these days youth are scattering here and there because of the busy schedules, works, jobs, and all the more now social medias and all influence them so much. So, what according to you would be good examples to bring back the youth to the church, to make the church lively church?
I want to give an example of myself. I was a very influenced in the kind of other things but when I joined youth ministry, then my life was totally changed. And now I'm growing myself, growing in my faith, growing in my profession in every way. So I recommend everyone to follow Jesus, to come to youth ministry also. Thank you.
For me, as a media secretary in a Northeast level, I would like to take the youth towards the media. Will be socialized, no? And then we'll show, like we have the channel, and then this channel also. Through this channel, we'll show to the other youths that we are having this channel, and then we'll show to them how active we are in the diocese, whether in Northeast or in the parish level also.
As for me, an example is having the activities like Faith Fest here, so that we'll come together and know each other more, and then we'll know about other state how they are doing, and then we'll have more ideas and we'll know more and more about Jesus.
So, as you said, that only father sister can proclaim, but we can do the actions so that and make the youths more aware about what is Jesus or what is He for us. Like that, we can do all the works for.
आप ये बताइए, आपका यहाँ आना क्या एक्सपीरियंस है?
एक्सपीरियंस तो मतलब यहाँ आके बहुत जगह का यूथ लोग को मिला है, और यहाँ पे आके सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने के लिए और जीसस को जानने के लिए.
बहुत अच्छी बात है यार. आप
to know more about Jesus and new place also. Jesus and many youths are there where we can get united.
To know more about Jesus, and I have come here for the first time.
receive the communion? Yes. Okay. So what is your experience as the youth receiving Jesus Christ in the Eucharist?
जोङो बे कमिउनियनखौ जायखि जोङो बिराद मोजां मोनो, आरो बेयाव कमिउनियनाव इसोरनि थै आरो मोदोम दङ.
As a Catholic, we believe in God, so that's why we receive communion.
Okay, so what message would you like to give to the youth in today's world? Many of the youth are busy in their life, searching for job, and many youth in their studies, and most of the youth also now these days getting involved so much in social media, no? Yes. So spending time, wasting time, but don't have proper time to pray or read the Bible. So what message would you like to give?
So for all the youths in the worldwide, I would like to give a message that we should be connected first of all to our God, not living astray with the worldly things. We should come back to our God and then be attentive to His words and work according to the words that the God has taught us and He has given us. And most probably, we should share everything with the people whom we meet and who do not know much about God.
यहाँ पे जो नहीं आए हैं यूथ लोग, वो लोग को यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए, मतलब यहाँ का प्लेस कैसा है, यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या क्या सीख मिलता है। यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत सारा सीख मिलता है। तो नहीं आया है वो लोग को आने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट है मतलब।
What about you?
To know culture of different peoples and to get together.
Okay, आपकी तरफ से क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो?
ये मेरा तरफ से मेरा स्पेशली मेरा स्टेट के ये यूथ नागरिकों को मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि सभी यूथ को मैं कहना चाहता हूँ एटलीस्ट एक बार अपने आप को एक मौका दीजिए। मैं भी मालूम नहीं था, वो कभी नहीं सोचा कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाएगा। हम सोचा कि ये सब एक कुछ नहीं है, पर एक कदम मैंने चर्च में आगे बढ़ा और यहाँ तक मैं पहुँच पाया। ये आज का ये प्रोग्राम तक मैं पहुँच पाया, इसके लिए सबसे पहले ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और सभी यूथ लोगों प्लीज़ ये सब में भाग लीजिए।
Follow Jesus.
Yeah, you enjoy your life. Come with us. We are the NERIC and then the YSM, no SYM. You come and enjoy here in DBI. That's all.
Enjoy your life with Jesus.
The challenges that you as a youth face in today's world regarding your faith and what you see around the world.
Regarding the faith, it depends upon the parishes. Well, sometimes we see less youth or less participants with less faithful, so we also are demotivated in our faith sometimes. So this is it.
Yes, Bihung said that my opinion is also same, that when the youths are less, so we will feel low confident because very few people came.
Okay, regarding this, we should be like committed to our Christian life, and we should participate the Holy Mass, and then always we should be together with the leaders, those who are leading the youths, and they will guide us in the right path.
I also agree with youth leaders have to be very active to call her friends, best friends, everyone to come in the church.
According to my experience and my views, these mega faiths will also lead the youth, the youngsters, to form their faith in a proper way, to lead to their faith in a proper way, in a proper channel, without diverting them as they go abroad.
Expectation as we travel in many places, like to meet other youths. So help us to reach them, take us to them if we are not able to go ourselves, and also provide us financially and faith, like in kind also.
For me, to show to them different activities, no? In one way we can show through social media. That's all.
For me, the leaders should support each other and then focus on the grassroots level the problem and then try to solve it.
Yes, as a youth, I would also request our church, and I would love the church to organize more events like this for the children or for the youths, that their parts, their footsteps may not be diverted into another activities or another wrong activities.
J for Jesus. Once again, J for Jesus. Thank you so much.